Alarm clock. Long press mode to set alarm time. Long press it again to save setting. Press reset to turn alarm clock on or off. Here is the hourly alarm. Press reset to turn it on or off.